Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your laptop without a mouse. First, let's cover the essential keyboard controls that will allow you to move your character and interact with the game world. We'll then explore how to use your touchpad for camera movements and selections, making sure you can navigate any Roblox experience with ease. Get ready to jump into your favorite games, even without an external mouse. For basic movement, use the W, A, S, D keys to move forward, left, backward, and right, respectively. The spacebar is your go-to for jumping, letting you clear obstacles or reach higher platforms. Your laptop's touchpad will handle camera rotation. Simply drag your finger across it to look around. To click on items or interact, tap the touchpad or use its physical buttons. To move more quickly, hold down the Shift key while using W, A, S, D to sprint. For precise camera adjustments, the Q and E keys allow you to rotate your view left and right without moving your character. Many touchpads also support two-finger gestures for zooming in and out, giving you better situational awareness. Experiment with these to find what feels most natural for you. Roblox offers in-game settings where you can customize your keybinds, allowing you to assign actions to different keys if the defaults aren't comfortable. You can also adjust your touchpad sensitivity through your laptop system settings for a more responsive or smoother camera experience. Taking a few moments to personalize these options can significantly improve your gameplay without a mouse. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.